This video is going to focus on retouching images using the Dodge, Burn and Sponge tool. Select the tool in the toolbar. I'm going to start off with the Burn tool, and you can change the brush size by using the brackets or going up to the brush location here and selecting whichever brush you would like to go through and use. This allows us to change, the exposure of certain section of an image. So it might be an underexposed photograph or an exposed photograph, or it might be color corrected quite well and you want to saturate, darken or lighten a certain section of a photograph. It will default to change the midtones, which is a good starting point. You can change obviously the shadows and the highlights later. I've changed the exposure to quite darks for a dramatic effect. It generally defaults I think around 50. And so this time we're going to go through and burn, so it's going to make it slightly darker. We might zoom in to make it a little bit more visible. And so you can gradually see it's going to go through and make that section darker. I'll make it oversaturated and quite burn it to make it so you can see what it's visibly doing, and that's the previous style. And so Dodge does exactly the opposite, and where it's going to make areas lighter. So we might do the sky there, and you can see what it's doing there. And last of all, there's the sponge, which is the saturation, so the intensity of the blues. And last of all, you can apply the Airbrush tool, and I'll apply that. That's for any tool, but I might try it to the burn. And so it's just a little bit more gradual, especially around the edges, as you can see how that varies compared to that one. And so that's the Dodge, Burn and Sponge tool. Thanks.